Ever wondered what if your favorite photo could come to life, letting you wander through its world, zoom in on details, or tilt the camera like you're holding a drone? That's the magic of Yume, an AI system that's turning static images into interactive, ever-changing video adventures. But how does it work? Let's unravel the science behind this digital wonder. The problem with most AI videos: they're glitchy. Textures flicker, objects warp, and camera movements feel stiff, like a robot trying to film a nature documentary. Yume solves this by making videos smooth, realistic, and controllable. Imagine having a joystick for your camera, but instead of buttons, you just type commands or press keys. It's like stepping into a video game where the world is built on the fly. So how does Yume do it? Let's break it down. First, it tackles camera motion, the way the virtual camera moves. Traditional AI struggles with this, producing jumpy or unnatural paths. Yume fixes this with quantized camera motion, which breaks movements into simple commands: pan left, tilt up, or zoom in. It's like giving the AI a remote control with just a few buttons, making interactions feel intuitive, not robotic. Next up, Masked Video Diffusion Transformers, MVDTs. Think of these as the AI's memory bank. They let Yume generate endless videos without repeating patterns or losing quality. It's like a painter who can keep adding details to a canvas forever. No repeats, no mistakes. But even the best AI can have hiccups. That's where the anti-artifact mechanism, AAM, steps in. It's like a digital photo editor for videos, sharpening blurry edges and smoothing out weird distortions in real time. No extra training needed, just instant fixes. And here's the sci-fi twist: time travel sampling, TTS-SDE. This lets Yume peek at future frames to make earlier ones more coherent. It's like planning a road trip by checking the map ahead, so every turn feels natural. But Yume isn't just smart, it's efficient. By using adversarial distillation, a technique that simplifies complex models without sacrificing performance, Yume achieves lightning-fast results. Think of it as distilling a multi-layer cake into its essence, retaining all the flavor but cutting the preparation time in half. Here's where the research gets really interesting. Our team discovered that certain layers in Yume's architecture, called die-T blocks, act like the star players. The early and late layers, the opening scene and closing credits, have the biggest say in how the video turns out. The middle layers, they're more like the background music, important but not the main act. Why does that matter? Well, if the middle layers aren't crucial, we can optimize the system. By identifying the 10 least influential layers, like the background music of the model, we cache their results. It's like pre-recording a playlist to save time without losing quality. This made our AI faster and more efficient, like upgrading from a slow cooker to a microwave. But how did we test this? We pitted Yume against competitors like 121 and Matrix Game. The results: Yume followed instructions 65.7% of the time, way better than the competition. And when it came to visual quality, Yume's videos stayed consistent, even over long sequences. But here's the twist: when the video's motion changed suddenly, like switching from walking forward to backward, Yume stumbled. Why? It remembered the previous movement, like a car skidding before a sharp turn. But don't worry. After a few seconds, it corrected itself. It's like a beginner driver learning to handle tricky turns, still smart, just a little slow to adapt. We also tested a technique called TTS-SDE, which adds tiny bits of randomness to the process. Think of it as a gentle nudge to keep the AI on track. And it worked. Yume's videos looked sharper, more natural, like a painter adding just the right brushstroke to perfect a masterpiece. So what's next? Yume isn't just about making videos. It's about exploring dynamic worlds with simple inputs. Imagine controlling a virtual environment in real time, like a video game where the AI adapts to your every move. Thanks for watching. If you want to see how AI turns imagination into reality, hit subscribe. And drop a comment. What kind of interactive video would you create with Yume? Let's keep the conversation going.